guys, this is the second part of that Firebase file upload video. So let's start. So first of all, we need to add some library for the Firebase storage. So let's add right here. So we need to compile Firebase, and this is the Firebase storage 10.2.1. okay, and download Firebase authentication version of 10.2.1. yeah so it will take some time. So before that, let's fix something. So this is the my Firebase database console. So this is the storage part, because we need to upload our file into this storage. So we need to fix something, because we are not the authenticate user. So for testing purpose, we need to make it null. So so in rule, in this rule we need to make it when request the authentication is null, so then user can read and write. So we need to publish the rule. The rule is published. So so let's get into this main activity. Okay, so just declare our all the button and text views. So okay, select, we know that one select button, and one pause button, and one cancel button, and let's create one storage reference. Okay, m storage reference, and need to text view for the label, where we can see our the megabytes and those things. And then one progress bar. So m progress, and we need to create the size level, like how much is the size of that any particular file. So we need to create that size level too. Okay, so this also, sorry, text view, and that, okay, like the percentage, okay, progress level. So here you can keep any name for declaration. It's not a big issue. The tags, so storage. So I need to so let's declare those things first. Okay, storage, storage reference. This is the Firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference, and the one select button. This is the find view idr dot id. This is the id declare is select button, right? So here select button is declared, then it's a post button. So id dot post button, right? It's cancel button. Cancel button. And okay, let's declare the size level 2 is a size level, and one is progress level 2 also. Find view id r.id progress level. Yeah. So what will happen when we select that particular, like for example if you select this button, so it should show something like to show some gallery part, to upload any file, to select any file. So let's create that one. So when you select that button, so it will set on click listener, so it will call the on click listener, so it will create automatically some bunch of code. So inside this code we need to create on method, like okay, like you can call any name, for example how to say, okay, like you type open file selection is a method one, so we need to create that method. Yeah. So in this method what we'll do, okay, so we need to create the intent. So the intent will do, so it will redirect to your gallery. For example, let's create first, then we'll explain. So intent dot, okay, action get content, so it will get into the gallery so that you can see your files and you can upload. So intent dot, I need to set the type, like any type, maybe PDF, JPEG, any file, it's up to you. Intent dot the category, so intent dot it's intent dot category, so intent dot category is openable, right? Yeah. So when you want to select any file, so it will come some exception, so I need to handle those exception using my try and catch block. So start activity for result. So in this result I need to intent the user, so like intent, and is like for example select a file to upload, right? Again, and in what file, select code. Okay, this is the integer value, like you can create any initialize number, so it will start from there. For example private final private final static int file select number is 1. So this one is created. So yeah, so this one is over. So I need to now get this exception, Android dot content dot activity exception. Okay, so let's create one toast message that please install a file manager. Okay, this one is like if the Android doesn't find those file manager in any gallery, so it will pop up those messages like please install any file manager. So this one is finished. So like now we need some result activity, like how it will work. So we need to create that, like one activity result, activity result. Yeah, right. So let's start. So we'll create one if and else statement so that it can handle. For example, if the request code is that file select code and the result code is okay, right? What is that? Result code is result okay. Then so we need to create one file URI. So handling a file is definitely we need file URI. So let's type file URI. So data dot get data. So let's create one string to get the file, any file, like for example PDF file, document file, or PPT, any file. So those string, it will convert that default name, like whatever, like image 00 something. So those image name, it will automatically convert into that string and it will upload in your storage. So for that one, we are creating this string. So to string, we need to convert to string. Then let's create one file, my file, right? And the file to URI string, right? Okay, so the thing is now we need to just like whatever you are going to choose from this select button. So when you finish a selection, it will automatically appear the file name right here, right? So for that one, we need to create one display name, right? So let's create one display name so that we can initialize into the text view. So for example, string display name. Okay, just initialize the null. So let's create one more if statement. If the URI string start with start with any content, then so that okay, so the cursor for this is the Android database. So the cursor will null, and so obviously it will raise an one exception. So let's handle these things. So our main activity dot this dot get content resolver dot those query, like file URI, and this thing is null, and this is the query. How many rows? The 4, 1, 2, 3. So one is for the selection, projection, and selection argument, and the sorting the order. So now if our cursor not equal to null and cursor dot move to first, right? So our display name will appear cursor dot get string, so cursor dot get column index where it's openable. This is the display name, right? Yeah, now finally cursor will close. So if this one, now let's see if the where string start with a file, so that our display name it's get into that my file dot get name, right? So yeah, so the thing is, now let's display our display name into the text view, right? So in this text view, what's our text view name? Is id is file type label. So what do you know is really sorry, I think I didn't initialize right there, text view, okay, like a file type. So let's initialize right here, file type name is a text view where is what's the name is a file type label. Alright, now we need to create, we have to display those names, right? So what's the name? File type name dot set text display name. It's pretty simple. So okay, so for this one, let's try one actually. Yeah, so this is the, when you click on this, it will appear anything. So like for example, the first one is screenshot. If I click on this one, look at this screenshot, this is the name we got. So okay, my app is working fine. Now we need to upload those things, right? Okay, then let's start. So for this one is finished. I don't want to take a lot of time. Yeah, this is storage, upload and download the file. Okay, this is the upload file. So let's copy this code. So I think this one is okay, right? So this is the upload task. So this file is the file URL, right? So yeah, let's declare that storage task equal to. So this one is like when your file successfully upload, so that it will show some message. Let's create that message is like file is uploaded, or else like there was an error in right. Yeah, so as long as now we need to show our progress bar. So okay, what is that? Okay, database and progress is equal to progress bar from id dot progress. So this one is pretty simple. uh, so we have done this one. Look at this. So we need to add something very simple, like dot add on progress listener, one new progress listener. So in this progress, let's create the any double, okay, the floating value. So okay, double progress. Okay, now it's 100 is a 100.0 into the text snapshot to get bytes, transfer, right, to divide by the text snapshot the total value. I get total byte count. So in progress, let's set progress is progress, but progress in f2, and okay, let's convert any string. The progress text, we need to show progress text. So the text snapshot dot get byte transfer to 1024 is kilobyte, so it's kilobyte, right? And text snapshot to get total byte count divided by 1024, so it's kilobyte, right? So size level dot set text dot progress text, and the progress level was set text, so we need to convert into that progress into the percentage, right? Okay, let's run the app and let's see. This is the application. So if I look at this, it's 290 kb. Okay, but okay, yeah, it's uploaded, but we need to show our this progress color. So guys, I had some problem actually in progress bar XML. We need to change into the layerless, otherwise the the animation it will not come. So now if I select any file, for example this file or this file, anything, okay, select this one. Look at this, is 122 kb and it's 100% full. And let's try another one. Okay, this one, it's almost 4 MB. So these things, it's working pretty well. Okay, now we need to just initialize this two button. If I press, it's not working, right? So we need to create the pause and cancel button. Okay, let's start. So it's very easy. It's very easy, as long as we need to just create the button. So yeah, so if pause button, if we yeah, this is the pause button, right? So okay, let's convert that button into a, like, get their button text. Like when you click on that pause button, so it will show the resume button. So we need to create one string so that the the initial is initial string is post button. So if the post button is equal, then it will turn into the resume button. So let's create the button text. uh, let's impose button dot get the text, and we have to convert into the string. Then if the button text is equal is other post upload, right? What's the text? Yeah, this is the post upload, so that our storage tasks will pause, and the impose button will change the text to resume upload. It's pretty easy. It's only the if and else statement, and then we need to make it resume. It's pretty simple. Then if pause button, then we have to set text. So pause upload. Yeah. So now we need to create the cancel button, right? So cancel button dot set text. I'm sorry. It's set on click listener, and this is pretty simple. Just cancel it. Yeah. So let's see. Let's run the application. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, like okay, our default it's coming only 40. So okay, let's fix something. Let's make it 0, all the progress bar and the texture. Let's make this one. Where's that? Okay, this one, right? This is the progress. Let's make it 0, and let's this one to 0. Let's make this one to also 0. Okay, so oh, I'm really sorry. What's going on? Okay, I'm really sorry. Actually, it was not a problem. It's because of my that application Gradle build problem. Like I need to restart the application, so it fixed already. So let's try the application. For example, if you select this file, so it's uploading. Your file is uploading, and it's look at this. If I pause, look, this pause, and it's resume its game. So thank you guys for watching my video, and let's have a look on this storage, whether the file is uploaded or not. So yeah, look at this, because I created the files directory inside the file. Okay, I uploaded a lot of files. You can see the image file screenshots, so you can see those files in Firebase database. Look at this. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'll make something very interesting. Thank you.